Alright, so we have another SAT question here right now. We are still on percentages. If this is your first time of seeing my video and you have the plan, or you know someone writing the next SAT, or you just want to improve your mathematics level, I will advise you click the subscribe button. Okay, okay, let's look at this. We don't want to waste much of our time today. You say the numbers a comma b and c are positive and a equals 3.2 bc. That if b is increased by 150% and c is decreased by 60%, then a is. Alright, so we have different options here. What do you think? You think you can tackle this? You can pause the video and do justice to this. But if not, let's see how this is done. So okay, so we have that. Let's write this first of all. So our a is equals to what? 3. Okay, 3.2 what? BC. Alright, BC. Alright, so let's see this, and they call that equation 1. Let's see if there was any change. Now, what is b? We are told that b was actually increased by 150. So it means that b equals to b plus 150 of b. So 150 of b is, that is 1.5. Okay, so that's 1.5 of what? Of b. And of course that should give us 2.5 of what? Of b. That's what we have. Okay, what about c? We are told that c was decreased by 60%. So that means the new c will be c minus 0.6c. You understand that? And of course that should be equals to 0.4. Okay, so that should be 0.4c. Do you understand that? Alright, so let's see. And you know that a is equal to 3.2 bc. So doing that together, 3.2. So what's our new a now? So let's see if there was any percentage change. So a is equals to now 3.2. Then we open this bracket. What's our b? Our new b is 2.5. Are we there? So 2.5. Then 2.5b, is it not? So that's 2.5b times, what's our new c? Our new c is 0. Okay, so that's what? 0.4c. Alright, so let's close the bracket. When you multiply what you have in the parentheses now, that will give us, so this is 3.2. okay, that is now 2.5b times 0.4c, that is 1 bc. So that's actually what? bc. You can multiply that and check your calc. So it means therefore that a is still equals to what? 3.2 what? bc. Are we there? 3.2 bc. So you see that there was no change. It means therefore that the correct option to this question is what? Option C. You can see it right here. There was no change of any kind, because a change of 150 in B and a change of 60 degree in C is the same thing as 3.2 BC. Are we there? So it's as simple as, so option C is actually the correct answer. Now if there's any aspect of these that is not very clear and you need clarity on, please do not fail to hit what? The subscribe button, your comment section. And if you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because right here we have just one objective. Our objective is to have that perfect 800 score in mathematics that we will combine to your English, and of course you have your desired SAT scholarship. Alright, thank you very much. I'll see you in my next video.